non-stick pan. I'm gonna do it anyway.
We are just stopping for a little drink before we go back home. We visited a couple charity shops and found a bath, which is what we were looking for. No.
Because just the amount.
Today's Thursday and I'm obviously working from home today. I'm about to have my lunch, but I feel like I have not spoken to you for ages. I have not filmed a vlog, I don't think, since before Italy, but we've been back now for a few weeks and I just have not really done anything vlog worthy, I don't think. So I'm very sorry for the lack of videos, but I'm back now and it's starting to get kind of autumnal here, so I'm very excited for all of the cozy autumn content. I will say though, it has been like gloomy and rainy, but it's still like 19 degrees and it's just really annoying. So I'm excited for it to get a bit chillier. I am definitely an autumn and winter person, so this is my time to thrive. We're actually going away this weekend for my mum's birthday. Just for the weekend, we're going to the Borders, which I'm looking forward to, but I do not have a present for her, which is really stressing me out. I did buy this book for her. It's recipes from the world of Tolkien, or Tolkien. I did watch the film and I'm pretty sure it's Tolkien, but the guy who wrote Lord of the Rings. My whole family are like obsessed with Lord of the Rings, so I feel like my mum will appreciate this. It's kind of fun. I don't really know what the recipes are going to be like though, but I thought she would like this, but I need to try and figure out what else to get her. So I might have to go shopping tomorrow during my lunch break. But I'm just having a nice cozy work from home day. Hopefully I'll do something this evening that will be a bit more interesting than what I've been doing the past few weeks. I have just made myself some lunch. I've got some leftover rice, some lettuce and some chicken nuggets with hot sauce. Not the most nutritious, but we hardly have anything in the flat right now, so this is what I was working with. But I'm just gonna sit and watch Sex and the City for the rest of my lunch break. Tell me that you love me, lovely Lady May. Now I ain't the sharpest chisel that your hands have ever held, but darling, I could love you well. I'm literally just out the shower. Do not look at my fringe, but I just got a parcel and I think I know what it is, so I wanted to open it with you. I got sent the new Marc Jacobs perfume. How exciting. This is huge. I did not know it would be like a big one. Let's open it. I'm so excited about this because I'm not really a perfume person. Like, I like perfumes, but I just don't really have many of them and I don't really know like what I like or anything like that. So this is so exciting. Oh, I think oh my gosh, that smells like something I've tried before. Let's read what it says about it. Seeing as though I don't know perfumes at all. Bold, feminine, fearless. Embark on an outdoor adventure with Daisy Wild, the newest addition to the iconic Daisy Marc Jacobs collection. What is so funny is I literally got Marc Jacobs dot, I remember, for Christmas when I must have been like 14 or something like that, and it was like my first proper perfume and I was so excited. So this is kind of a full circle moment. The new refillable fragrance exudes a freshness reminiscent of a wildflower bouquet, and it inspires us to reconnect with nature and embody our young free spirited self. Daisy Wild blends notes of banana blossom with an exquisite, why literally is it like I actually can't read, with an exquisite jasmine and nutty vetiver. It does smell like outdoorsy, which is so nice. I love that. We've had a bit of a change of plans. I am out of my pajamas and I'm gonna go meet two of my friends at the pub, but I'll probably only stay for like one drink because I'm working tomorrow, obviously. I just have thrown on a very comfy outfit. I think it's raining outside, so just these trousers and this jumper.
Our time. I said we're 42.
I have just finished work and Danny and I are about to head to the gym. I have not been to the gym in probably over a year. I just have not had a gym membership, but I eventually decided that I probably should sign up for one because I definitely need to get a bit healthier and a bit stronger. I'm very unfit and very weak. I literally look awful right now and I do not feel good about leaving the house looking like this, but obviously I'm not gonna like shower and stuff before I go to the gym. So I'm kind of nervous, not gonna lie, but hopefully it will be okay. How do you feel about going to the gym? What? We're obviously back from the gym now. It was actually okay, but I do feel like just a bit of an idiot in the gym because I feel like you take one look at me and you know that I'm not a gym girl. But maybe one day I will be. I doubt it. But I'm gonna have a bit of a self-care night tonight. Danny has some sort of NFL draft thing for the fantasy football, something like that, on tonight. So I'm gonna have a bit of a self-care night. I'm gonna make us chili for tea, which I'm really excited about because I literally make the best chili, like not trying to brag, but my chili is amazing. But I thought I would do a wee face mask. As you can tell, my skin has had better days. So I'm gonna put on this, the Professional Deep Retreat Pore Clearing Clay Mask. And then I also bought from Superdrug on my way home. Do you want out, Bonesy? I bought some mustache and beard dye. I've seen people on TikTok use this on their eyebrows and their eyelashes, and I wanted to give it a go. I used to use the Eyelure like eyelash dye on my eyelashes and my eyebrows, but I don't like their new one. I feel like it's not as good. I only did it maybe once every like 3 months or something like that, and it lasts only like maybe a week. I feel like my eyebrows are obviously already quite thick, but sometimes I like to do it on the ends of my eyebrows because I feel like they're a bit more sparse. But it's more my eyelashes. Like I was standing, like walking on the treadmill, and there's a big mirror in front of the gym that I went to, and I was just looking at myself and I was like, oh, you look awful. And I feel like part of it was like maybe my eyelashes. I don't know. We'll see if this helps at all. Hello, Bonesy. Hello, Bonesy. Does he have my eyes? I also put some hair oil in my hair while we went to the gym, so I can wash it out and have nice hair tonight too. And I think I might start Gilmore Girls because I've never seen it before. And I feel like it's something I would like I'm obsessed with autumn. So I don't know why I've never watched Gilmore Girls. Boonsy.
Whoa, that guy smells good, by the way.
Actually, quite far, just by.
No idea what you're
Look at what I came back from work to. I'm so excited to open this. I have been sent a bag by Teddy Blake, New York. They make all of these amazing bags and they emailed me and asked if I would like it if they sent me one. And of course I said yes. I really wanted a new bag for ages. I think I mentioned it in my Italy haul that I had been planning on buying a new handbag in Italy and I never managed to find one. So this was just fate, I think. This is the bag that I chose. I didn't want anything too big, but I wanted it to be able to fit my phone and my camera and everything else that I needed in it. So I went for this bag. This is the Vanessa black/red bag in, I think it was 12 inches. It also comes with a strap if I want to make it crossbody or wear it on my shoulder. This is just so chic. I feel like this is like an adult bag. Like I'm gonna feel so fancy walking around with my Teddy Blake handbag. I really love the shape of this bag, and I quite liked how it was almost like a wee bit slouchy. Like I really love the look of leather bags that are kind of like a bit worn in, and I feel like this will just be the perfect bag for that. It is just so nice. I'm so happy with my new bag. I feel so fancy. Thank you so much, Teddy Blake, for sending me this. I feel so cool and chic with this bag, and I'm so excited to use it.
For dinner? Bones' dinner.
I am so behind on Zoe's vlog list. I'm literally only on day 2, so I've been trying to catch up, and I'm very excited about this. Audrey is just the cutest child ever.
Not ready to see the truth unfold. Didn't know that time could go so slow. If